Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I just want to tell you that it's never that serious. It's never that serious. I know it's going to feel like it's so serious when it actually happens, but by every second that passes and every day, every week, every month, every year that passes, it just becomes more and more unserious. Because nothing really matters at the end of the day. Nothing anybody has like ever said or done to me matters to me anymore. Half of the things I don't even remember. I'm talking about the bad stuff. Half of the things I don't even remember, and if I remember the main big parts that kind of changed my life for good, where I realized a lot of things, I laugh at those things now because it was such a big deal to me back then, which is totally fine, by the way. I'm not saying it's not okay to be, hurt. Your feelings are valid if you're going through something like that right now. But I'm just here to assure you that you will laugh about it in a week, in a month, or a year, max to max 2 years. Because genuinely, I thought my life ended when my best friend kind of was not my best friend anymore, and she said a very hurtful line back in the day to me that you do too much. I don't think I can reciprocate that, and you're just a lot, you're just too much for me. I don't think I can be your friend. You over love. Yeah, she said that word, and I took it so personally. I was like, what? हाँ, मैं ज़्यादा प्यार करता हूँ, ये दिक्कत है? Oh my God, oh my God, मैं गलत हूँ, मैं एक गलत इंसान हूँ, मुझ में ही बुराई है कि मैं प्यार करता हूँ. Oh my God. It's fine. I was 14. It's okay to have feelings that intense when you're 14, and it's still okay to have feelings that intense when you're 20. But I'm just like laughing about it because that was not something to be taken personally. Because, okay, this is my ex best friend's level of emotional capacity to love or show love, express love. And this was mine, apparently. So, just because this is her level of showing love or expressing love to other people, and this is mine, doesn't make her a bad person or does not make me a superior person with a victim complex that, oh my God, I overdo. I just love people too much. And that's why they leave me. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up, bitch. I'm sorry if I'm being too harsh. I'm kind of talking to my past self right now. It's shut the fuck up. You know that it's not wrong to be the person that you are, and it's also not wrong to be the person who this person was at like what, 14, 15. It's okay to be at different levels of love or affection or anything. Just like if it's not an equal relationship, be it romantic or platonic, it's okay. And if you don't like it, of course you should not be friends with them or date them. But they are not a bad person for being the person that they are, and it does not make you at all like superior at all, that you can love more than other people can. It's an awesome thing to have, but it's not something to just be like, yeah, I just over love, and no one can. If you're saying is that this as a joke to your friends, that's like different whole that's a whole different thing. But like if you're like actually that person who's like, you know मैं जो प्यार करता हूँ ना यार, वो कोई कर ही नहीं पाता, इसलिए like nobody's friends with me. That's like crazy. That is crazy to me. I was that person back in 2020 low-key, because I was just like, मेरे साथ तो कोई दोस्ती कर ही नहीं सकता because मैं इतना ज़्यादा प्यार करता हूँ मेरे को. You find your people. You think you are the only person in the world who loves this much, but you're wrong. There are a lot of people who love this much and who can show you affection at your level, and who also feel this way only कि ये मैं ही पागल हूँ क्या? नहीं. A lot of people are able to express their feelings and their love for people at your level, and you will find them. Not right now, not maybe in 2 years, but you will find them one day. Maybe not all of the people you hang out with are the same, but one day you will find one person or at least two people who you can be like at equal ends with. And also it's not it's totally fine to be friends with someone who does not match your level. That is your opinion. Like I personally think it's a bit, at least they should be at least like around my level, I think. But that's a separate topic. I was just here to say that it does not make the other person a bad person if they can't match your level of affection, because it's not their responsibility. That's just who they are, and this is just who you are. So you can't hate on someone for like, hey, you did not do this for me. Hey, maybe they did not want to, and that is okay. Yes, you should leave them, of course, or like, I don't know, end the friendship or whatever. But it's really not their responsibility to be this person towards you. I've realized that, like, in my 5 years of a lot of friendships and a lot of just talking to people around you, the other person does not really owe you anything. But if they're doing something for you, that's like that, then that is what the friendship is about, or the relationship is about. I think we forget that people have their own lives and their own way of functioning. Just because we are like, ये हम तो कर लेते हैं, हम तो प्यार करते रहते हैं, हम तो we are givers. Givers, yes, amazing. I love givers, but also then be friends with givers only. I hate when people are like, oh, I mean, I was also this person. I'm accepting again and again. I was also this person where I would be friends with people, friends or be with people who are just takers or like not more givers, more of a taker, and you are like constantly like frustrated, Loki, because you don't want to expect anything also because you are a giver. So you are just like, I don't expect anything back. But then they don't do shit for you. So you are like, what is wrong with this person? You are with the wrong person. There's nothing wrong with the person. The person is wrong for you. You made a bad choice. So find somebody who is also a giver and be better at taking also. I think givers have a huge problem of like being like, nahi, it's okay, aap enjoy karo. Why? Shut the fuck up. I hate the tag of givers. We need to be more of the takers. I mean, we should balance shit out. Takers should also become a little bit of givers, and givers should become takers. I don't know where this conversation is going. Oh my god. I don't even know. I was just saying that a lot of people will say a lot of mean shit to you, which they probably don't even mean. And even if they mean it, it doesn't really matter. Even if it's your loved ones, like, okay, a lot of people say mean shit to you, but if like somebody close to you has said something very hurtful to you, yes, you're hurt, but also that does not mean that it's real. Just because a loved one is saying that does not make it real. You should always remember that. Don't take anything personally. I think I've taken a lot of things personally in my life, and it has kind of ruined my mental health in a lot of ways. So I just don't take it personally anymore. I either think that the other person is the problem, that might be a little bit toxic, but like I'm just like, you are probably, it's your brain, babe. Or I'm just like, okay, I kind of sit down and dissect the problem and take myself out of the picture and like look at a third person's perspective or whatever. I just acknowledge the feelings and like don't take it personally. Even if they're trying to make it personal, I know some people try to do that, just ignore those people. I don't think you should be talking to these people in the first place. I don't know if I made any sense. I don't know where this thought came from. I don't know actually. Yeah, be a little bit of a taker if you're a giver, and also if you're a taker, be a little bit of a giver. I don't know what this video was. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and yeah, love you.